Hello there, I am Coach Rosa Seward from Brickhouse Fitness in Stafford, Virginia, and today I'm making my dinner and I want to make plantains to go with my dinner. My dinner is actually already cooked. I have a plate of salmon, asparagus, red potatoes, purple potatoes, and white potatoes. A little medley there, but I want a little treat to go with my plate. So I'm going to make plantains. And when you make plantains, basically it's very easy to do. You just cut off the ends, cut off both ends, make a little incision down the middle. This helps you peel them because they're a little rougher. They're not like bananas. They're in the banana family, but not quite like bananas. So you peel off the skin, and I like to make sure that when I get plantains, they're ripe. So they're gonna have a little bit of brown and black on them also. So put that to the side, and I cut mine at a diagonal. You can cut them any way you want, circles, diagonals, it doesn't matter. It's just a personal preference. So just cut them like that. Quite simple. So I've got my pan heating up a little bit here. And I am going to use a little bit of coconut oil, organic coconut oil, to put in my pan just so that it doesn't stick a little. And let me just grab a spoon here. So not even a teaspoon, it's about a teaspoonful, but not a lot. And of course, you know, the coconut oil melts pretty quickly. So we're just gonna put that in the pan. Now for seasoning, I like to keep it simple. I use sea salt. I like a little salt with my plantains. You don't have to put salt on them. Definitely use sea salt and not table salt. I'll just flatten those out. Just a little sprinkle. Make sure they're coated. Now, I also use a little bit of seasoning. It's called plantain seasonings. And I got this from a African and Jamaican supermarket in Fredericksburg. It's called Community One Market. And I just grab a pinch, really. It's very, very, very spicy. So if you don't like spicy foods, then you can kind of omit this one step. But otherwise, I like it. I love it. I love it. And then I just put these down one at a time in my pan. Doesn't take long at all. I just pile them all in there. This is really probably 2 serving sizes, but guess what? I usually eat the whole thing because I love plantains. So I just pile them in there, all on the sides, cover the pan. And after that, wipe my fingers. I'm gonna also sprinkle a little bit on the back side. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Very good. Done with the coconut oil. A little sea salt. Sprinkle that on the back side. Sea salt just gives it a little bit of savory. Just makes it delicious as far as I'm concerned. Now notice it doesn't take long at all. Just a few seconds. When you turn those over, you can see they're already starting to crisp on one side. Turning them over. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Doesn't take long at all. In fact, once I get them all turned over, unfortunately, I have an electric stove. I would die for a gas stove. But my entire house is all electric. So once I get them all turned over, you can see they're nice and brown on one side. And then just turn the stove off, turn the burner off, and just let them continue to cook just a little while longer. And OMG, delicious. So very simple. plantains are done. They're nice and browned on both sides. I add them to my plate. Oh, heaven. I might save some for my videographer, my husband Joe. He's not a fan, but he's getting used to them. Yeah, I think that's probably about it. I'm gonna just move that to the other burner, and that is it. So my plate by Zumba, whole unprocessed foods. I have plantains, I have asparagus, I have potatoes, a little potato medley, red potatoes, purple potatoes, and white potatoes, and I have salmon. Delicious. Thank you so much for joining me and watching my video. Enjoy.